This is the process of adding sound effects in GarageBand, and I'm 15 minutes in, and I got an hour and 9 minutes to go of a 83-minute film. I did trim it down by a minute for pacing. So I have my created sound library, and I just go through each one. That's a good one right there. So then you could just drop it right into the program at any point, any one of these, even though it says car engine or something else, you could just drop it right in there. So when he's at that point, there's a delay when it's recording, but the sound effect goes off right when he turns, and then he goes up the steps, and then the sound of his walking could end, but now I need a sound for the door opening. So always save your work often. And under the door, I usually go to the punch sounds that I created, and I have a bunch of door sounds I created. So one that opens up. This one's gonna be good. That one's probably better because it's quicker. Alright, so I don't want it too loud. As you can see, I have that one set loud, but you could change the track volume in GarageBand. You just click on this little button, and then you click on this, and then it'll let you set key points. So you can go like that, and then do that, and do as much as you want to adjust the audio. But I don't want to change this one, so I'll just delete all that. Alright, now, and then you could change the panning of the audio from left to right speaker. This doesn't do 5.1. I think you need some special setup for that. Stereo surround. Alright, but with 3D audio and headphones, that 3D audio is actually just stereo sound. You just fine tune it so it sounds like it's rotating around the character. I'm sorry, the person. Alright, so the door opens, and then maybe I could have like a clunk when it hits. So it hits right there. That one's actually probably a better sound effect. I'll just put that whole thing in there, and then I'll just delete that one. Now the sound is too quiet, so I'll put it in a louder section. I think if I delay that slightly. Alright, so the door opens here, and the sound hasn't gone off yet. Now it's gone off, and then it hits. Alright, so that'll be good. Now he closes it right away, though. So I don't want to repeat the same sound effect. So that was sound A. That one's got like a little bit of a swish and then a clunk at the end. Wait a second. So the clunk should be right about there. That's good. Then the walk sound effect I'll bring right back in there. So he gets into the door. Now he's walking at this point already, so that's where you want to start it. And then you could do a swish for his turn right here. It gives the movement more depth. And then he hops up onto the rest over here. Alright, but that's it for now. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching.